Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from RawSpiceBar. So I did unboxings for them a long time ago, but they've recently changed their packaging. So I'm interested in seeing that. And if you're not familiar with the subscription, they do hand blended spices. And it's all freshly made. So they sent me 3, and these are the new 1-ounce tins, and they're stackable. So they used to come in like a little envelope that had a seal on the top, kind of like a Ziploc bag. So this is a lot better. I love the see-through. See what they look like. Ooh, okay, so let's start here because I'm late to the party because I don't have a Trader Joe's next to my house or nearby really. And I've heard so much about the Everything Bagel seasoning, and I just got some this summer. Love it. But when I got to the very end of the container, all the salt, because it was like the thick Himalayan salt, had sunk to the bottom and it was way too salty. I could not use it, but loved it up until that point. So this one says it's salt-free, which I love. So that's what that looks like. That smells so amazing. So there's toasted black sesame seeds, toasted white sesame seeds, dried onion flakes, poppy seeds, and dried minced garlic. So I know some people, well, they put it on everything. A lot of my friends put it on their eggs. I just put it on a plain bagel. I put cream cheese on top and cover it with this. It's so good. They also gave us a Greek seasoning. This says it has telecherry, black peppercorns, onion, garlic, Greek oregano, thyme, dill, rosemary, lemon peel, parsley, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Yum. So that looks like a good one. And then the last one is Adobo Seasoning. Sweet paprika, black peppercorns, Mexican oregano, chipotle chili powder, toasted cumin, onion, garlic, granules. Yum. So you can go online and they show you different like recipes and things and how to use them. So in case you're in need of that, which is totally something I kind of need, especially for stuff like this. I know I've used it before, but I can't really like recall a recipe, so I'm definitely going to go online and look it up. But if you're interested in a subscription, I will put all their information below. You can also just buy kits and, one-off seasonings from their website. So I will link it below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!